Hey everyone, welcome back to the Learn Up. In this video, I'll show you how to edit your photos using Nano Banana AI. And I've created over 50 custom JSON prompts just for you. These prompts are designed to give your photos a realistic, photography-style look. From portraits and lifestyle shots to cinematic scenes, all while keeping the same person in every image. I'll show you exactly how to use these prompts step by step and how you can customize them to match your own style. So make sure to watch till the end to see the results and grab all 50 plus Nano Banana prompts from the description below. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started.
You can use Gemini to edit photos with Nano Banana. But in this video, I'll show you how to edit photos using Nano Banana AI on the Lovart website. This is not a sponsored video. I'm using Lovart because it offers some extra features and delivers better results than Gemini. Gemini has many AI tools, including chat, image generation, image editing, video creation, and more. But sometimes this variety can cause Gemini to get a bit confused, and we don't always get the results we want. That's why I chose Lovart AI for creating images. Lovart offers a wide range of AI models, including Nano Banana, Seedream 4, Midjourney, and more, many of which you can use for free. And you can use Google VO3, WAN 2.5, Kling 2.5, and many more for free. So, without further delay, let's dive in and see how it works. Okay, to access the site, open your browser and search for Lovart AI. You'll see the link right at the top. Open it and create an account using your email or Google. Once you've signed up, you'll get 200 free credits, and every day you'll receive another 200 credits. When your credits run out, you can wait 24 hours for them to refresh. Or, if you want unlimited credits, you can use a temporary email to sign up again. Now, we need a prompt for editing photos in a photography style using Nano Banana. Don't worry, I've already created 50 plus ready-made prompts for you. You'll find the link in the video description. From there, simply click the copy button, paste the prompt into this prompt box, upload your photo, and hit the send button. Wait a few seconds, and it will generate a beautiful new image that matches your original photo. You can also customize the prompts however you like. Alright, our image is ready. Let's compare the two photos and see how similar they are. Okay, let's try another prompt. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found these 50 plus Nano Banana JSON prompts helpful for creating your own stunning AI photos. You can experiment with them, mix different styles, and get some amazing results, all while keeping your photos unique and consistent. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Learn Up for more AI-related tutorials and tools. And of course, you'll find the link to all the prompts down below in the description, so make sure to check that out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.